My name is Tangina, and I took the Data Science Bootcamp in 2020. We were actually the first cohort that was remote during the pandemic, so that was fun and interesting, and I think overall a success. I was a QA analyst, so I did a lot of software development testing. So before things went out to the user, we would test them on the back end. So I had a little bit of exposure to data. I actually landed an internship with LTSC through the Slack job board with GA. And that initial role was actually a lot more software development heavy at first. And then I got an extension in that internship of a more data specific role. And now I'm a marketing analytics manager at the New York Blood Center, and I deal a lot with business intelligence decisions and marketing decisions. It was absolutely worth it. I think it is the perfect blend of a traditional educational environment with real-world scenarios. So it really makes that career change very attainable, and it makes it super easy to be comfortable and know that you have the tools in your toolkit to make that change and be confident in going into a new role. You know what you're doing, and I think that makes it stand out from probably other courses that you might just do on your own.